Hello guys, welcome back to my weekly market focus. Today I'm diving into the analysis of Usdjpy, Gbpjpy and Eurjpy to give you the insights you need for the upcoming trading week. Okay, so by the end of this video you'll have a clear understanding of the potential movements in Usdjpy, Gbpjpy and Eurjpy and how you can position yourself for profitable trades. Okay, so in this video I'll be using technical analysis and I'm going to walk you through each of the analysis that I'll be doing. So let's just start with Usdjpy. Okay, so with Usdjpy currently on the weekly time frame, we are observing a strong sell-off. Okay, we have a strong sell-off here, and this has actually been going on for 4 weeks straight. Okay, this week 1, week 2, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Okay, so in the previous 4 weeks we've had a strong sell-off on the weekly chart, and if you look at the monthly, we can confirm something here. Okay, so this strong sell-off that you see right here was actually engineered by this. Okay, this right here. Okay, this rally base drop, so we had a rally and we had this base here before the market eventually dropped. So this is the reason why this market is actually selling. Okay, and if you go back on the weekly chart, you can also see the bearish divergence here. Okay, so this here and this there. This gives you an indication that the sellers want to join the market, which obviously they did with this huge sell-off here. All right, let's now move to the daily. On the daily, we had a trend line breakout. So we had a trend line breakout here, and then we had a retest before the market eventually dropped massively. The previous week's candle, okay, closed as a strong bearish momentum candle. Okay, very strong bearish momentum candle. This is a bearish Mabuzo candle, which tells me that the sellers are still strongly in this market. They are not done yet. All right, but we have to be careful. Okay, because if you look at the RSI on the daily, let's just go back to the daily. If you look at the RSI on the daily, this market is well and truly oversold. Okay, right here the RSI line is way below the 30 level. Okay, so this market is truly oversold and price is currently at the support level, which is right here. So I would advise that we exercise some caution when placing trades. Okay, let's just wait and see price action, wait for trade confirmations before we sell. Okay, that said, I sincerely doubt that the bulls have any strength to drive this market back up. I strongly doubt that, and so I want us to keep an eye on these levels here, 138.032 and 130.368. These are still our key take profit levels. Okay, but we would wait. We are strongly bearish on this trade, but I will advise that we wait for price confirmation before placing any trade. Moving on to Gbpjpy. If you look at the monthly chart, you can see that a similar scenario occurred. Okay, So on the monthly, we can see that price sold off massively once again, and it sold off immediately after reaching this base drop level right here. Okay, and this supply zone, fellas, is very potent because prior to this move, it had not been tested before. Okay, and this was way back in the 2000s. Okay, and if you check the base drop supply zone, we also identify the fair value gap. Now if you look at the price action right here, look at the wick of this candle, this bearish engulfing candle, against the wick of the last bullish candle right here. Alright, so our fair value gap is the low of this bullish candle, the last bullish candle before this bearish move. So the low here to the high of this bearish candle. Okay, now if you check price action and how price reacted when it got, immediately it tapped that level right on it. All right, it fell. Okay, this validates the fair value gap, fellas. It validates the fair value gap. Okay, so we have a bearish engulfing candle here, and this is a Mabuzo candle. Let me just zoom it. This is a strong bearish engulfing Mabuzo candle. And so if you go to the daily, on the daily we had another trend line breakout, and this has been selling massively ever since. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the previous week it's just been a massive sell all throughout the week. If you check the weekly chart, we once again see a bearish Mabuzo candle, which tells me that the sellers are still strongly. They are so strong in this market. This thing is, I don't think this market is going back up all the way here. I doubt it. All right, so I'm still strongly bearish on this pair. But like I said, with respect to the Usdjpy, please exercise caution, okay, because this market is truly oversold. So obviously we expect some form of bullish presence before the market falls massively again. And so let's just be careful. Wait for price confirmation before you take any trade. But our TP levels are obviously 175.924 and 165.698. Okay. And lastly, let's take a look at Eurjpy. Eurjpy. Let's look at the monthly. So if you check this particular pair, we can see right here that there has been some form of liquidation above the all-time high. Okay, this is at the resistance level of 169.743. all right, so all those who went long on the trade, all those who went long on this trade with their buy stop orders here right above this all-time high, all those who went long here, and all those who joined right here because of greed. I mean, you've been in this trade, and obviously there are people who joined here. All of these people are trapped. Okay, they are trapped. And from this strong bearish engulfing candle, this market is not going to give them the chance to get out of this trade. All right, they are trapped. It's not going back up. And so I strongly believe this thing is going to continue down. Let's check the daily charts. Okay, so on the daily, we had another trend line break. Okay, and this thing has been selling off ever since. This has been selling massively. If you check the weekly time frame, this is another strong bearish Mabuzo candle. Okay, and so I doubt this thing is going back up. I sincerely doubt that. But like I said, please exercise caution, okay, because this market is way oversold. It's way below the 30 level on the RSI indicator. And so exercise caution, make sure you wait for price confirmation before you short the market. That said, our TP levels still remain 152.206 and 145.008. Alright, so let's just see how it plays out. Okay. And so to summarize, for Usdjpy, Gbpjpy, and Eurjpy, I'm strongly bearish on all these pairs. Okay. However, please make sure you wait for confirmation before entering any trades and manage your risk respectively. Okay. Manage your risk for each of these pairs. Make sure you manage your risk properly. Alright. If you found this analysis helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so share your thoughts on the pairs in the comment section. Let me know what you think, and let me know if there are any other currency pairs you'd like me to analyze in the future. Okay, so thank you once again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.